Do you sometimes get caught up in a trap of perfectionism where you want everything to be perfect? Then you are not alone because most of the times, almost all of us find ourselves caught up in this trap of perfectionism syndrome. And because of this, we either wait for our task to be perfect or we wait for that perfect moment to come. And most of the times, as a result of this, we either procrastinate or we don't do it at all. Hi, this is Sharayu Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I'm going to talk to you about 5 reasons on how perfectionism can be a biggest roadblock in your journey towards achieving success. So let's quickly dive in. Reason number 1 is it slows you down. Because if you aim for perfection, you will wait for ideal time and the ideal circumstances. And this leads to the delay of your task. And if you have a perfectionist attitude, you evaluate every action in detail and it takes much energy out of you, which you could have actually utilized in achieving your goals. And thus, as a result of your urge for perfection, it will often slow you down. Now, the reason number 2 is no new ideas. Because when you aim for perfection, your focus is solely on achieving flawlessness. And that refrains you from taking risks in your life. Because you're always worried about the outcome may not be perfect. And as a result of this, you rarely come up with new ideas. Now, with this comes our reason number 3, self-criticism. Friends, to some extent, self-criticism is good because it actually motivates you to improve. But if you are so obsessed with perfectionism, then self-criticism is dangerous because the minute you fail to achieve the desired result, your inner voice will start criticizing the approach, and the constant criticism gradually demotivates you. Now, with this comes our reason number 4. It prevents you from learning and improving in your life. Friends, if you are a perfectionist, you always prefer to look at the outcome either as a win or a loss. You never look at it in the terms of the progress you have made. And as a result of this, you find it difficult to accept failure. And this roadblock prevents you from learning and improving in your life. Now, with this comes our reason number 5. It leads to mental health issues. Friends, if you are so obsessed with perfectionism, it may lead you to depression because your rigid attitude of perfectionism makes you to focus on the flaws so much that you often find it difficult to see the brighter side of your life. And as a result of this, you end up being the victim of mental health issues like anxiety and depression. So friends, this is all about today's video, wherein I have shared 5 reasons on how your perfectionism can be a roadblock in your journey towards achieving success. And I also want you to remember that perfectionism is bound to come. But now that you have the awareness, bounce back as fast as you can to live the life that you desire and deserve. And in my upcoming video, I'll be sharing few simple tips on how you can focus on progress and not on perfection. So stay tuned for that. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Take care.